Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to be talking about the incredible wooden mirror. This is a really cool piece of art that uses wooden pieces to mimic your movements. It's really mesmerizing to watch, and I think you'll enjoy it. The wooden mirror is made up of a series of wooden pieces that are connected by hinges. When you move in front of the mirror, the wooden pieces move in sync with your movements. This creates the illusion that you're seeing a mirror image of yourself, but made out of wood. The wooden pieces are all different sizes and shapes, and they're arranged in a way that creates a very realistic image. When you move, the wooden pieces move with you, so it looks like your mirror image is moving too. It's really cool to watch, and it's even more impressive when you see it in person. The wooden mirror was created by artist Daniel Rosen. Rosen is a computer scientist and artist who is known for his work in interactive art. He has created a number of other impressive pieces of art, including a virtual piano that can be played by moving your hands in the air, and a living sculpture that changes shape when you touch it. You can see how the wooden pieces move and mimic my movements. It's really cool to watch, and I think you'll be impressed. The wooden mirror is a really interesting piece of art, and it raises some interesting questions. For example, what does it mean to see a mirror image of yourself made out of wood? Does it make you think about your own mortality? Or does it just make you appreciate the beauty of nature? The wooden mirror is a reminder that we are all made of the same stuff. We are all just a collection of atoms, and we are all connected to the natural world. The wooden mirror also reminds us that we are all constantly changing. As we move through life, our bodies change, and our minds change. The wooden mirror reflects this change, and it shows us that we are all works in progress. The wooden mirror can also be seen as a metaphor for the passage of time. As the wooden pieces move, they create a sense of movement and change. This can be seen as a representation of the way that time flows and how we all change over time. That's all I have to say about the wooden mirror. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.